Want to confess to your crush? But worry, it's not creative enough. Let's teach you a domineering boss-style confession that will make it hard for her to say no. All achievable with Python. First, we'll use ServBay to configure the Python environment. ServBay is an all-in-one local development tool that enables one-click management of Python environments and easy execution of code commands. No need to tinker with system settings. Even beginners can get started in seconds. With it, we can finish the preparation for this confession tool in minutes. Your crush won't have a chance to refuse, as pop-up windows filled with your affection will keep appearing until she nods in agreement, making the moment sweet enough to melt hearts. The core of this tool is super simple. After the confession window pops up, clicking disagree will trigger new confession windows to appear at random positions. The process only ends when she clicks I do. It's truly a trump card for confessions. We'll use the Kinter library to build this small tool. Here's how it works. First, define a library of confession messages filled with sweet words. Then, write a force _ agree function to close all windows and pop up a success prompt. The refuse function is the core. Clicking disagree will generate a new confession. Clicking disagree will generate a new confession window at a random position. Finally, create the initial pop-up window and set two buttons. I agree and disagree. Now, let's run the code loop. The first confession window appears. Click disagree, and a new window pops up immediately. Click again. The screen will be filled with my love. You can also modify the message library to add your own exclusive sweet words, making the confession even more heartfelt. You can also get creative with more customizations. Change the button color to orange, add a cute title to the window, and make your confession more unique. With just a few lines of code, you can create such a fun confession tool. Hurry up and write it for the person you like. Wish everyone success in their confessions and a sweet relationship.